by constantly practicing and changing the inner landscape within, your thoughts, your feelings, you project what you wish to see in the world, what you wish to experience in the world. You then can change the outer world. By you doing that, you change your response, and that has a direct ripple effect. We only need a small percentage. When I'm talking to my clients, only one person needs to be mindful in a relationship. A small percentage to wake up, to be and act as mindful beings, and to recognize this small ripple can become a vast, big wave.